So hello everyone, today I'll be uh, clearing some of the doubts that are raised by the aspirants. So first is the notification will be launched from the online application will be started from 15th of September 2022 and the last date of application is 10th of October 2022 and the date of written examination is on 11 and 12 November 2022 and only indigenous inhabitants of Nagaland, that is belonging to the 17th tribe of Nagaland, will be applicable, not outsiders. And there are together 614 posts for NSSB and various other posts are applicable, for example pharmacists to level 7, which will require specific qualification, that is not all graduates can apply. That is, if you are having a B Farm, then you will be able to apply in this post. Next is LDA. LDA will have you will have to be a graduate along with degree, that is degree in computer application, DCA, 6 months. So like this and likewise you can see the various posts from item number 1 to item 39, and each item will have specific qualification. For example, farm will have bachelor in pharmacy, and LDA, as I've already told you, graduate with diploma in computer application. And if you're a backward tribe, then you will have to be Act 12 pass with computer application. So these are the posts, and then anyone from class 10 pass with certain certificate to graduate with computer certificate can apply for this post, and you can apply for multiple posts if you are eligible. That is, if you are graduate, then you can apply for LDA as well as for other posts that ask for graduation certificate, and some will require class 12 pass. Next, first, age is from 21 to 30. However, PNR, that is personal and administrative reforms, have released a notification which relaxed 2 years for people that are affected by COVID-19 pandemic. And written examination will be held in all the districts of Nagaland and subject to 2 choices. For example, you are staying at Kohima and your hometown is Mugukchung, so you can first give the option as Kohima, first option, and second option as Mugukchung, so that if you do not get there in Kohima, you can definitely get in Mugukchung. So keep one as the place you're staying and one as your place of as your permanent address. Next, and group 3 and D category, para A, group 3 and D category will be held only in Kohima and Dimapur. Group 3 and D, group 3 and 4 category will have this, that is this post: pharmacist, draftsman, sectional overseer, fashion designer, baking and confectionery instructor, hairstyling, horticulture assistant, veterinary field assistant, surveyor, etc., and plumber, electrician will be conducted only in Kohima and Dimapur. Computer proficiency test. So for computer proficiency tests such as LDA and junior account associate will require computer proficiency test, which means you will have to be excellent in computer. That is, paper 1 will be given and paper 2 will be given, and after that, if you passed, you will be able to give the computer proficiency test, and after passing this only you will be eligible for interview. So this is a 3-part process, just like the SSC. Next, skill test. What is skill test? Skill test is, suppose you are applying for plumber post. Candidates under group 4 category will have to undergo skill based test. So skill based test, computer for group 4 will have only 2 posts, is plumber and electrician. What is skill test? Skill test means you have to prove your skill. That is, if you are a plumber, then you have to show that you are a good plumber, and if you are an electrician, basic electrical wirings will be a test will be conducted, and this is skill test, which is subject to 25 marks, 50 marks. Next, mode of selection. Number 1. So group A will consist of this type of post, that is laboratory assistant, sectional assistant, copy holder, field investigator, etc. and which consists of paper 1 200 marks, which consists of general knowledge and English, and next 200 will consist of maths and computer. So this next Viva Voce is 12.5% of 12.5% of total marks. This is 12.5 out of 400 into 100, so it will consist of this. So 12.5% of 100, sorry, so it will have 5 4 is 20 0 2 and 4 to 8 9 10 0 1 and 4 5, that is for 50 marks, like this. That is, calculate the interview marks by dividing the total the 12.5 divided by the total marks of out of 100 into total marks is 400. So from there you will get 50 marks, that is 50 marks for interview. Next group, for group 2, LDA, directorate and district computer range assistant, technical technician and statistical investor will have both same for paper 1 and paper 2. As I've already told you, skill test will see your computer skills, that is computer based test, and 12.5% of the total marks, that is total of 450 marks. So next group 3 will consist of this pharmacist, draftsman, sectional officer and various other posts like horticulture assistant, and this will consist of same 200 marks consisting of GK, English, 200 marks computer and maths. So and paper 3 of 200 marks. What is paper 3? Paper 3 is the your main paper. For example, you are applying for horticulture extension assistant, so it will test your horticulture subject test, that is purely on MCQ, like the technical paper on combined technical engineering service, so but easier than that. And similarly 12.5% of the total marks, that is 12.5 out of 100 into total marks is 600. So it will be calculated like this. And group 4 will consist of paper 3 only. Paper 3, that is your technical knowledge and skill test of 50 marks, that is only paper 3 will be given for group 4. That is for plumber and electrician, only your technical subject and your skill test. So if you are interested in course, the Aspirant Circle has started a course for NSSB course, and the main fee is 4,899 and materials is only 3,000, and it will be taught by NBSc qualified candidates. And the syllabus is provided here, that is for paper 1 general knowledge and general English for 200 marks. Paper 2 will consist of computer for 100 marks and CZ, that is maths for 100 marks. And paper 3 for various other technical posts is provided here, that is this is paper 3, and this all is provided in NSSB website. For example, paper 3 agriculture field assistant, so agriculture field assistant will have various other posts like this syllabus, that is principles of agronomy, weather and agriculture, for example, like this. So I hope I have cleared the doubts of some of the candidates. So, and the total examination fee is 100 rupees, and only online mode will be applicable, and you can apply for multiple posts, that is you can apply for even LDA, and if you have specialized degree then you can apply in the specialized degree. So with this, the video has come to an end. I hope you understood something, and if you have any doubts, provide in the description below, and the Telegram channel will be provided in the description. Thank you for watching and have a good time.